If you're experiencing login issues with US Bank, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos and remember that passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser cache can cause login problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you still can't log in, reach out to US Bank customer support. They can assist you with account-specific issues and provide further troubleshooting steps. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.